Hi, I'm Denise Dubey here at CA World 2013. I'm talking with Mahendra Durai, also of CA Technologies, and Mahendra is here to discuss a little bit about CA using its own technologies and why DevOps is so important. Hi, Mahendra.
Hi, Denise.
How are you doing at the show?
Doing great.
What is happening at the show that you want people out there to know about?
Couple of spaces. One is around DevOps and all the work that's going on there. Mobility is and the related topic of BYOD are probably two hot and heavy topics that impact my life every day in what I do, and those are probably the two topics I'd love for folks to know more of.
How do they impact your day every day?
So in my role, I am the CTO within the IT organization. Mm-hmm. So what our customers are experiencing on a day-to-day basis, we experience on a everyday basis also, right? Mm-hmm. And working for a technology company where we have 13,000 plus power users who probably think they can do IT better than IT can, makes it that much more interesting and exciting.
I understand that now more than ever, CA is using more of its own technologies in-house. Why do you think that's important for customers to know?
Probably two factors. One is obviously to reap the benefits that we are talking to our customers about. So that's one of the benefits that come out of leveraging and using our own technology. The other vision for us and a mission and purpose is to actually be customer zero, right? And customer zero is when we are using the product in its beta stages in production, right? Because pretty much anybody can set up a lab type of a scenario and beta test a product. But to be able to beta test a product in its full glory with all the challenges, issues related to network bandwidth, usability, roles, responsibilities, processes, etc., that's where we are definitely seeing the disruptive technologies like BYOD, big data, influencing us. But also, as we go address these unique challenges, CA's technology solutions also have to understand those disruptiveness and work to solve those solutions, work to solve those business challenges.
You mentioned mobility, which I think everyone's familiar with when they pick up their phone, but DevOps is a little new to people. Why do you think that's so hot and critical right now?
I think it's an evolving role of the automation of IT. Right, and initially we started out with driving automation more and more into possibly the infrastructure elements, and now the same level of automation to drive agility and business value is moving into the application development space, which is really what DevOps is all about, right? So how do we take the processes that developers adhere to on a day in and day out basis, streamline them, and allow them and enable them to be able to move faster and deliver quicker, so that at the end of the day, we are putting out solutions that the business needs, hopefully ahead of schedule.
That's great. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. We'll be back with more from CA World.
Great. Thank you.